I've always loved Belkin accessories. The MagSafe ones specifically are super awesome and they make using your iPhone really, really fun. A couple cool accessories from Belkin have just came out, including the new Boost Charge with Qi 2 wireless charging. Check this one out. Portable form factor, nice in the hand, beautiful white finish. It actually pops up like a little robot arm and lets you rest your phone very comfortably in any kind of situation. Works sideways too if you want to bring this perhaps on a plane when you're traveling. And of course, because it has Qi 2 wireless charging, it's going to get that device charged up even faster. Very, very cool device from Belkin. Very, very compatible. Another one that they sent me to try out is this very, very cool mount designed for televisions. You may have seen FaceTime have come to Apple TVs. Well, how do you use FaceTime when your TV doesn't have a camera? Well, this cool accessory from Belkin allows you to manipulate it in various shapes and forms to actually mount it and sit it on top of your television perhaps, or maybe on a desk or table in front of your TV. You can pop it on top of the TV like this, and then you MagSafe your phone to it and use your phone camera with FaceTime calls on your Apple TV. How cool is that? Thanks Belkin, always thinking about very cool products to make our lives easier.